Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Rose. So for today's video, we are going to be unboxing April's BoxyCharm box. I've done this for the past few months and so far you guys have been liking it, so I'm going to keep doing it for you guys. So as you guys see, have my full base done along with brows, and then we're gonna go through everything I got in the box, and as always we're gonna try everything on the face. So without further ado, let's get to this video. Okay you guys, so for this month's box, I actually like the pamphlet this month. Like they definitely changed it. Usually it's a card, but now it's like a little pamphlet. So on the back of the pamphlet, it gives you a VIP offer for Dr. Brand, and it also gives a 10% off code for Tarte. So for the Dr. Brand, if you're someone that likes the skincare brand, you have to go to Sephora.com and search hashtag pores no more to access a special limited edition pore refiner primer bundle offer. And then for Tarte, there's a 10% off coupon using the code AprilBoxy, and this is for April 15th all the way up to May 15th. So that's that. And then you open it, and then eye candy is the theme, and then it has some beautiful girls here, and then everything that you get in the box. So I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. So the first thing is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. This is a pore purifying mask. This is what it looks like here, and this retails for 47 bucks. So I actually tried this out. Yes, I did open my box, and this is the only thing that I tried out, and I actually really do like this. When I first put it on, I was like, oh, like it's clear. But then you kind of like rub it in, and it has like these little beads that kind of burst as you're like spreading the mask. And it says to put this in thin layers of areas of your concern. So at this point, my cheek area is where I have the most pores, and my forehead, so that's where I put it at. The only thing that I do not like about this is that it smells. It has a really like foul smell. Like it doesn't smell good at all, but after a while it kind of just went away. So that's what I got. Then the next thing is from the Brow Gal, and this is a tinted brow gel with microfibers, and this is in Light Hair 3. So let's see how light this is, because my hair is pretty dark. And this retails for 22 bucks. Then we have this guy here. This is from Ades, New York. It's a high definition liquid lipstick. I've actually been trying to stray away from liquid lipsticks. Let me rip this open. And this retails for 24 bucks. Okay. Just rip the box open. Ooh, this is a pretty cute nude. And let's swatchy dotch. Okay, this feels like a gloss. It does not feel like a liquid lipstick. It just feels like a very pigmented gloss. That's it swatched. Very thick as well. So, can't wait to try that. Then I have the Tarteist Pro Glow liquid highlighter, and this is in the shade Stunner. This retails for 29 bucks. That's what it looks like here. Let's give you guys a little swatcheroo. Ooh, this is really pretty. Let's see, you guys can see. Very nice glow. It's really nice. It dries really fast. And then the last thing is from ColourPop, and this is one of their palettes. It's the Element of Surprise palette. and this retails for 16 bucks. And these are the shades here. I'll just swatch a few. Let's swatch this pink. I'm gonna just swatch 3 of them. Ooh, that pink. That's everything swatched. Really creamy. I love ColourPop shadows. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that I got in the box. If you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, it is a monthly subscription that retails for 21 bucks a month, and you get over hundreds of dollars worth of makeup, and you get, I believe, 4 to 5 full-size products. You don't get any samples or deluxe sizes. It's mainly full-size products. So if you guys are interested and you want to join, I will leave a link down below so you guys can go ahead and join. Now, before I go on to the try-on process, let me change my battery because it's blinking that the battery is low. So let me do that and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so let's get to it. The mask we're not going to try because obviously we're kind of way past that. So I'm going to first start with the brow gel, and I'm just going to apply this. Ooh, this is like very, very thin. Ooh. That just gave like my brow some. Ooh. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's just like, I like this. This is really nice. It just kind of gave like so much definition to my brows. And then I don't have any, like I barely have brow hairs, but it makes it look like I have full brow hairs in the front. Like, I love this. This is really nice. Yeah, it's haunting. So, what kind of look do I want to do? Ooh, that's really pretty. I don't know. We'll just kind of figure something out. We'll figure it out. Alright, so first shade I'm going to go in with is this shade right here, which is called Labyrinth. So it's that beautiful creamy shade, and I'm going to put that like in the brow bone area. Place that right there. I'm gonna go in with this shade here, which is Go With The Flow. I'm gonna use this as my transition shade, and this looks like a taupey kind of purple shade. So we're gonna put that in the Crease / transition shade. These shadows blend very, very, very well. Like, I have just a few palettes from ColourPop, and the ones that I do have, I do love. So it's really pretty. Right, now to further deepen up the crease, I am gonna take this shade here, this beautiful plum shade, and this is called Late Night, and I'm gonna put that in the crease as well, but I'm using a smaller detailing brush. That way it can get directly into the crease and it won't blow out too much. And then obviously in the outer corner as well. This is really pretty. Ooh, I like. Ooh, you guys, do you see that natural glow? I have no highlighter on. That's just skin peeking through. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to go to IMAX. Like, this is gonna be my first year going, and I'm just super excited just to meet new people and shop. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be amazing. Just gonna blend this side out a little bit more. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Feels, which is that shade that I showed you guys. I'm gonna go in with that and apply that onto the lid. And I'm gonna use it without spraying anything on it, and we'll see how this applies. Which I don't see anything on there. The hell? Okay, maybe my finger will do it best. There you go. Okay, so I feel like I'm missing more of like a pop, being that this look turned into a halo look. I'm going to use this shade here, which is called Radiant, and I'm going to take it on my finger and pack it right there in the center. It's not really picking up much. It's like I really gotta press and kind of like swipe for it to transfer. I mean, I guess, whatever. Just make sure the edges are well blended. Alright guys, so lashes are on. This one feels weird. I don't know why, but it does. Lashes are on. So now I'm going to go ahead and try the Tarte highlighter. And this is a liquid highlighter, so ooh, that is pretty. That is really pretty. Try a little bit more. but a little bit way too much on that side. Oh man. I like that it blends and it doesn't stay harsh. So I do like that part. Like, it's easy to blend. Hey guys, yeah, so this definitely is not a liquid lipstick. It's more like a pigmented gloss. As you guys see here, a very, very glossy, very creamy. This is cute. I really, really like the way my eyes came out. I do like the lip gloss, the brows. Oh my gosh, they look so full and just, oh my gosh, like I just love, 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 love it. I like the liquid highlighter. In my opinion, like, this is somewhat blinding, but not like extreme. Like, I feel like if I was to put a highlighter over this, it will be bam. You know what? I should do that. I'm gonna take, I almost fell. I'm gonna take my Reezy highlighter. I use a fan brush for this. I'm gonna use my Reezy highlighter, and I'm gonna pop that over. Oh boy, that definitely intensified it a lot more. So I feel like that, the liquid highlighter, would be a great base to get that blinding look as such, because this, yeah, it's blinding. Yeah, I love all the products that I got in my box, and I hope you guys enjoyed me creating this look for you guys. So that is it for this video. If you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. Also, if you like this video, if you like these types of videos where I'm just unboxing and trying out these products, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment down below, give me any suggestions, even if you just want to just chat. I'm down for it all. And if you will kindly share this video so that other people around the world can see it, I would greatly appreciate it. So that is it for you guys. I will see you next week when I have my iMats vlog. So yeah, see you guys next time. Mwah!